Good morning. This is Share Review channel. Welcome back. So we're gonna do a review on the car. Let's see how much we have. 277 miles. And what's the percentage? 100%. Right. 100%. So let's go. Catch you later. So, forgot to mention, after I charge, the car is 0 miles. So I just drove 0.5 miles, and I forgot to mention that. Still waiting. And where am I? Here we go. Still waiting. Nothing. Time is 6:41. Here we go. Not too bad, isn't it? 21. Yep. Thank you. Update. Okay, welcome back. Update. Right. So that's how much is it? That's how much I made. It's 40 pounds. So we start off with the good start. 23 pounds. Then took me only almost an hour, and then 6 pounds, 7 minutes. It's in central again, and I took I actually cherry picking a lot, so until I got this, which is 1 hour 17 minutes, not too bad, to Heathrow, and I'm in the airport waiting area. Needed the toilet, so I'm gonna have a rest a bit. Got myself a sandwich and karak tea, as they call it. So 78. And let's see the mileage, how much we did. Calculating. It's 235 miles left. How many percent? You can see here 87%. How many miles we've done till the airport? 41.6 miles. Right. Okay, not too bad. Let's see if I'm gonna get something else. Going back to Central. I'm not gonna wait for long. I'm gonna have my breakfast and get the move on. Now it's 10:27. So hopefully by 11 o'clock I'll reach in Central London. Keep in tuning. Yep, still in the airport. Just did cleaning, house cleaning. I mean, end of the day, this is your second house, your car. And didn't go online yet. So just let me show you something. When I turn on the air condition, check this out. 234. Switch it off. 235. Now if you put on high speed, yep, goes less. So consuming a lot more of the energy. Let's get online. Ready to go. Anything comes up to Central, I'm picking it up. The algorithm, if you cherry picking a lot, nothing's gonna come through. So 220 X, comfort 175, and green 100. Waiting in line. But anything comes up, no one wants it, to Central, I'm taking it. Just get out from here, because algorithm plays around a lot. I notice, like, if I don't take anything and I cherry picking a lot, I'm gonna be here for another 2, 3, 4 hours, God knows how long. So guys, just to come out to the airport, stop cherry picking, I'm gonna get anything towards Central, then over there I'll update you. Thanks. Hello, an update. So we're back home. So let's see how much we made for today. 219.65 pence. Happy with that. 10 trips, and last trip was 17 pound. She added a stop, which is all right. Yeah, tip, thank you very much. 5 pound. So let's see where we stopped. Couldn't take the video before, sorry about that, too busy. But that's Heathrow. Went there, stayed in Heathrow, came back, 42 pound, 1 hour 23 minutes, and then we have 17 pounds, 30 minutes. That's all right, just a few miles. Traffic a lot, as you know. And 18 pound, again Central, and that 9 pound Central again. And to be fair, how much is that? Yep, so 31 pounds right on the top to Brent. Then we took another one. Next, back home, 40 minutes. She added a stop. Very kind lady, thank you very much. And that's how much we end up. Now let's see how much miles left. 174. And how many miles car went? 100.8 miles. We have done 100 miles. Percent, 66%. Not too bad. Can do it tomorrow as well. Same mileage. It's okay. Same amount if we get lucky. Thank you for watching and following for more. Switch this off. Follow for more videos coming up. Now I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna charge. I got lucky again. Take that. So that's cable it already. And let's do the camera. So simple. Let's get out. Plugged in. It's connecting. Yep, so it's charging. Finally got it done. So full charge, 5 hours and 10 minutes. Obviously it's a slow charge. If you like this content, give us a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Tomorrow I'll do another more videos for you guys. Any questions, put it on the comment. If you like the content or you want to share anything, put it in the comment. Thank you for watching. This is Share Review Channel. Goodbye.